Alright, we've come up with a device here. An ordinary large train wooden whistle. We've taken a water bottle and we've cut it off and we've placed it around the whistle, and we used some Gorilla Tape. Made it really tight. And then we took the cap and drilled a hole in it, and just your ordinary little pneumatic air with the trigger, put it in there with a little plumber's putty to kind of stop some of the air out. So then we take our hose, which is connected to our compressor, and we'll hook it up to this. See if I can do it here. And then, it's hard to do with the camera, excuse me. Alright, and our assistant engineer here will show us how it works. Give it a good squeeze all the way. All the way, all the way. Now we have a whistle that we can actually blow. What do you think?
Good.
Good. Maybe we should try it upright so the air goes straight right in the hole. Try it again. Hours of entertainment we're gonna have.